schools in some parts of the country have been closed for nearly a year. President Joe Biden says they can reopen safely.
The teachers I know, they want to work.
But that would require more resources, which he is urging Congress to provide as part of a $1.9 trillion coronavirus relief package. But teachers are competing against other high-priority groups for access to COVID-19 vaccines, which could hasten the ability to return students to the classroom. Teachers, who are mostly represented by unions, have had an easier time lobbying for access to the vaccines than other workers who are not unionized. But the challenge underscores the cutthroat nature of getting vaccinated right now. The issue of reopening schools has become more politicized in the last several days, as Republicans have focused on a study released by Centers for Disease Control and Prevention researchers, showing that there is low amounts of transmission of the virus in the classroom.
It's less likely for a child to get infected in the school setting than if they were just in the community.
But the administration says that additional resources are needed to safely reopen schools in more populated or dense areas than what has been studied. One challenge that may not specifically make reopening schools more difficult is the new emerging variants of the virus, some of which have been reported in the US in recent days and may be more infectious than previous strands. Sten Vermund, a public health expert from Yale University, said the new variants at this point shouldn't change how difficult it is to reopen schools.
As it stands now, those variants are infrequent here, and I think we're doing a good job controlling in classroom or in schools.
But urged that people continue to take the public health precautions like mask wearing and physical distancing to drive down the transmission of new variants as schools try to reopen.